it's Ben from RPMAA here with a tutorial on how to tie your belt. Now, the majority of the martial arts we do here will involve a belt that you will receive when you pass a grading to signify the grade you are currently at. But tying it is no easy task. So, today we're going to learn how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your belt and you want to find the halfway point so that when it hangs down, the two ends are together in an even keel like so. Okay, the more you use your belt and you tie it like this, a fold will appear in your belt and that'll make it nice and easy to find going into the future. Once you have that fold halfway through, you want to find your belly button and around that area or just below it, put it in the middle and tie it all the way around like so. And that's great, but unfortunately at the back, it crosses over and you don't want that. So you're going to take one side of it and you're just going to put it underneath all the way around. So this might take some adjustment, but you're just bringing it underneath that other bit of belt all the way around. And when you have successfully done that, you'll find that it makes one single circle all the way around. So now if you look around, you can see it's all together and there's no crossover there. Once you've done that, you want to take your two pieces, you want to take the bit that's actually over the top and bring it up through underneath both bits of other belt, so it's across your own sort of belly here, and bring that up like so and pull that tight, make any adjustments that you need to in there. We're nearly there now, so you take the two bits, you're going to cross them over and just simply tie it like so, down there. Pull it nice and tight, you can see the knot, and if you've got it correct as well, they should hang pretty much evenly like so. So there's no crossover around the back, you've got a nice neat knot at the front, and it's hanging evenly. And that there is how to tie your belt. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and I'm sure I'll see you in classes. Take care.